Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update on Arlan. Some of you may be familiar with him because he would sometimes help me out in some of the videos I would make on the site, especially True Love, It's the Real Thing, and especially our Kwentong Tambay videos. The first Kwentong Tambay video we made is now up to 18,000 views, which is surprising, really, because we just sat around, talking bullshit. And as you know, Arlan has been sick, and I haven't been really specific exactly what he is sick of. Well, he has cancer, and it started out in the lower part of his body, and it slowly spread in spite of chemotherapy, in spite of radiation treatment. The cancer spread throughout the rest of his body, to his lungs, kidney, and just the other day they found out that he also has a tumor growing in his brain, and that he had difficulty. He's starting to have difficulty remembering people. And when I visited him yesterday, he was no longer able to speak, at least as far as I could tell. He didn't speak the entire time I was there. And I'm not sure really if he recognized me. He did look at me a lot, and it seems he still responded a bit to his wife. But uh, when he was asked to raise his hand, he didn't. It's as if he didn't understand what he was being asked. Anyway, I have a lot of footage of us, Arlan and me, other stuff, bloopers that I would like to upload here on YouTube. Uh, After this, I would be uploading videos of Arlan. We actually have an unuploaded Kwentong Tambay video complete. No? I don't know why now. Why I wasn't up. I was able to upload this before. This is him after after his chemotherapy treatments. His hair just started to grow back again. He seems okay. He was able to go around, to go to our house to make the video. And it was also sudden. His sudden, you know, uh, deterioration of health. He was suddenly taken really ill. Starting January 15, he was started to be confined. He started confinement at the hospital February 1, and up till now he's still there. So anyway, after this I will upload videos of us and of Arlan, and